In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of effectively searching for files and folders in Google Drive. Google Drive is an incredibly powerful tool for storing and organizing your important documents, photos, and more. However, as the amount of data you keep in the cloud grows, finding what you need quickly can become a challenge. Don't worry, I've got you covered. First things first, open your web browser of choice and head over to the Google Drive website. Once you've logged in, you'll see the typical Google Drive interface, which includes folders, files, and a search bar at the top. This search bar is the magic tool you're going to focus on today. Knowing how to effectively use this search bar can help you save time and increase your productivity. When you're ready to find a file, click into the search bar. Here, you can type in the name of the file you're looking for, or part of its name if you don't remember the whole thing. Google Drive's search functionality is intuitive, meaning it will start suggesting possible matches as you type. Take note of the suggestions. It could remind you of the exact file name you were trying to recall. If you remember the format of the file, such as whether it's a document, spreadsheet, or presentation, you can go a step further by using Google Drive's advanced search feature. Next to the search bar, there's a small icon shaped like a downward-facing triangle. Clicking this will reveal a set of options that allow you to refine your search. For instance, if you're searching for a spreadsheet, you can select Spreadsheets under the Type drop-down menu. You can also limit your search to files owned by you or ones that were shared or opened at specific dates using the options available here. Another powerful tool within the advanced search menu is the capability to search by the file's location. If you know the file is within a specific folder, you can specify that folder here. This filters your results to only show files from that particular location, which can significantly narrow down your search. Remember to click Search once you've set your parameters. If you still have trouble finding your files, try using keywords that you remember might be contained within the document itself, or pertinent details like who shared it with you. Besides, make sure your files are organized in a way that makes sense to you. Regularly tidying up your Google Drive and using descriptive file names can also make searching easier in the long run. By following these steps, you'll find that accessing files in Google Drive becomes much more manageable. Happy organizing, and may you always find what you're looking for.